Tackle cabinet installation projects like a pro with the CabinetPRO hardware installation jig from Milescraft. Eliminate guesswork and make cabinet drawer and door hardware installation fast and easy while delivering precision results. The 100% metal construction eliminates flexing, while precision etched high visibility scales in both inches and metric make sure the setting is correct every time. Quick set hardened steel drill guides adjust to the required spacing, while dual edge stops perfectly position the jig for knob, pull, and handle installation, door after door and drawer after drawer. To make things even easier, the CabinetPRO is reversible. Drill both left and right door handles with a quick flip of the jig. No new settings required. Just space, place, and drill. The CabinetPRO can even be used to drill shelf pin holes due to the precise 32mm spacing between drill guides. Large or small, the CabinetPRO can handle it all. Attaching the included extension ruler expands the range. With spacing from 1 1/4 inches to 32 inches, wide drawers, tall doors, and long hardware are easily installed. Still not enough? Convenient centering notches allow alignment of the jig to center marks, and the drill guides can be adjusted from zero. Don't feel like measuring? The CabinetPRO includes hardware spacers that set the drill guides at the perfect distance. Just place the spacers into the guides and adjust until the handle fits into the centering cones. For protection during storage and transportation, the CabinetPRO comes pre-assembled in a heavy-duty foam-lined case. When done for the day, the jig can be stored with the current setup so it's easy and ready to get back to work. When you are ready to handle your next cabinet project, make sure to pull out the Milescraft CabinetPRO. Milescraft. Always the better idea.